So now we have a smaller triangle in the bigger one. And we will draw lines. So basically this will be white here. And then we will have yellow here. And then we'll have blue here and red here. So let's see, if this is white, we have about, let's see, 106 centimeters. But let's say this will be dark 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so here we will have a light yellow, a more brighter yellow, and this is pure yellow, and darker yellow, and a dark yellow. Great, that's actually gonna be really good. So just to make sure everything is in order, here we will draw 1 yellow and 2 whites. And here we will draw 2 yellow and 1 white. Here we will draw 3 yellow. Here we will draw 2 yellow and 1 black. And here there will be 1 yellow, 2 black. Great. And here we can actually remove these lines because they are confusing. And the next step is to draw red and blue.